Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at some massive tire chain installation, along with a bunch of other impressive construction processes. Stick around to see the removal of tire beads. The impact of enormous weight makes a tire more likely to suffer and can sometimes result in a massive loss. Thus, protecting them can be valuable. However, tires are not just clothed in chains for protection, but also for better grip, even on challenging paths. This clip shows the process by which a chainmail sheath is installed on a massive $60,000 tire. Air travel is the safest way to move from one part of the world to the next, and the tires have a short but vital role to play. The rubber tires on the undercarriage are subjected to brief but powerful forces when maneuvering on the runway and during takeoff and landing. That's why the tires of our long-haul aircraft are changed after about 250 flights. This routine task is carried out reliably by the specialists of the technical division of Swiss. Large truck tires can be extremely difficult to remove and change. When that job needs to get done, the French company PROFIL Plus is there to do it. They first start by inflating a cushion underneath the tire in order to lift it. Once this is done, the tire is latched onto the truck in order to keep it raised. Then, this machine comes in and, after the removal of some locking components, pops the tire off and removes it. Looking at the amused man watching nearby, you can see just how impressive of a feat this is. The Tri-Lift TH15000 workshop tire handler was designed for the provision of a maintenance tool for the secure removal and installation of tires. The TH15000 has been designed to be used in a workshop environment, and its compact design has minimal impact on the regular operation of the mining workshop. This fully self-contained, remote-controlled diesel/hydraulic unit handles tires and rims up to 15,000 kilograms or 33,000 pounds. In addition, the TH15000 can take tires as large as 59/80 or 63. This product will be a valuable asset for all mining and earth-moving workshops. The Eco Extractor 63 is designed for removing stainless steel beads from the world's largest mining tires. Its unique design enables it to extract pure beads from the almost indestructible 63-inch rim tires. Its remarkable features, such as reverse hull design and remote operation of the device, makes it the world's quickest and most cost-effective way of removing mining tire beads. In addition, after removing all the beads, it makes processing further down the line all the more economic. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we release new content.